Hi, welcome back to another video. We're going to cover one of the pieces of equipment that we use regularly as part of our restorations, and that's the Globaljig behind me. If anyone's got any questions, leave a comment and I'll do my best to answer them. Thanks very much and see you next time. See ya. When as much structural metalwork has been removed, such as this Series 1 fixed head coupe, a chassis alignment jig is essential for having the foundations of accuracy and symmetry. Before even setting up Prestige Paintworks, the obvious choice should have been the Select Jig Bench. Given I've been using them since the late 1980s, for me it just wasn't versatile enough, having to rely on renting the jig brackets if they are even available, buying them, which is even less likely, or having to fabricate them. And if you're going to jig more than a handful of different cars in a given period, storing fabricated brackets starts to take up valuable space. For me, the Globaljig wins hands down. Nothing to buy. Once you've got the jig, you've got everything at your disposal, including an overhead measuring system. The jig bench itself has a tape measure on it, so everything is incremental by the millimetre. Every beam has a measurement on it, so from a centre line it all has measurements. Every post has a measurement. So in terms of symmetry and being universal, it's perfect for everything, and there are different brackets and you can compose different fixtures and settings per application. It just makes it such a versatile jig to use. Globaljig do list some calibration measurements for certain cars. They had a set for the E-Type, so I could set this first car up with measurements from Globaljig, giving bed length, centre beam lengths, post heights, in abbreviated letters for all the fixtures for the feet. Just a brilliant system.